students, this is mathematics class for 7. Our first chapter is integers. Okay, that you all read some knowledge about integer you got in class 6. I am giving you some information about integer. Now in this class we will do operations of integer. Operation means mathematical operation, addition of integer, subtraction of integer, multiplication of integer and division of integers. So these four called mathematical operation. Just a recall for you, I am defining these terms. You know about numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, so these numbers starting with 0 called whole numbers. Numbers starting with 0. Numbers started with 0 called whole number. Okay, a collection of number starting with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, so on. These are whole number. Here smallest whole number is 0. And if you start writing numbers, so it will not end anywhere. So we can't tell what will be the largest whole number. So we can say largest whole number is not defined. If you write numbers, so it will not end anywhere. So we can say that largest whole number is not defined. Okay, so smallest whole number is 0. Numbers started with 0 are called whole number. You have read that in 6th class also. And we can't define largest whole number. Okay, so largest whole number is not defined. Clear? Now second term, second type of number, that's called natural number. Natural number. Other name of these numbers are counting number also. Natural number, or we say counting number or ordering number also. When you start writing from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay. When we write number from 1, 2, 3, 4, we say counting numbers. Name of this one, ordering number, or simply we can say in maths these are natural numbers. Natural numbers starting from 1. Okay. If you take out 0 from whole number, so what will you get? Natural numbers. Getting? Okay. So whole number contain 0 and natural numbers. But you can't say that natural number contain whole number because 0 is missing here. So numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. If you try to write largest natural number, so you can't get any largest natural number because when you write numbers, it will not end anywhere. That's why we can say that there is no largest natural number. It means that is not defined properly, that what will be the largest natural number. That's why we can say largest natural number is undefined. Okay class? So numbers starting from 1 are called natural numbers, and numbers starting from 0 are called whole number. So whole number contain all natural numbers. Yes, whole number contain all natural number. Look, 1, 2, 3 are natural number also. So whole number contain all natural number with 0. In whole number there will be 0 also, but in natural number there will be no 0. So we can't say that natural number contain all whole numbers because 0 is missing here. Clear? So natural numbers started from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other name of this one, counting number, ordering number. So we can say smallest natural number is 1. Okay? Smallest natural number is 1. But we can't define what will be our largest natural number. So that is undefined or not defined. Getting? Same way, whole number started from 0. So smallest whole number is 0. And we can't define largest whole number. So that also not defined. If anyone asks to you what is largest whole number, so you will say that is not defined. Same case here. If anyone asks to you what is largest natural number, so that also, then also you will say that is not defined. Getting? But if anyone say what will be the smallest whole number, so you will say that will be 0. And what will be the smallest natural number? That will be 1. Clear that? Okay. Now, you are looking here no sign. These all are positive. In math, whenever we have to write positive numbers, so we write just like that. No sign here. It means these are positive. Plus 1 or 1. Both are same, but in math we not apply plus sign. Getting? Other name of this one, positive integer. Okay? We can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on are positive integers. So on means these are endless. They will not end anywhere. If you start writing numbers, so they will not finish anywhere. They will not end anywhere. That's why so on. ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा. कहीं पे खत्म नहीं होगा. So you are looking. These are without sign. No sign here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means no sign. It means what is sign of this one? Plus sign. So number with plus sign. You are looking at I written positive integer plus sign. I be positive integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on. It means continuously you can write this one. That's called positive integer. So you are looking this one containing all natural number, but there is no 0. So positive integers contain only natural number. It means those number which have a positive sign. So other name of natural number is positive integer also. Okay. But sometimes we say temperature below 0 degree. We say like that, temperature below 0 degree. 0 से नीचे temperature चला गया आपका 0 degree Celsius. So how we will indicate this one? So then we need minus 1 degree Celsius. We say minus 1 degree Celsius, minus 2 degree Celsius. 0 say below 0. Then we need some negative numbers also. Okay? We need some negative number also. All positive number are called positive integer. Here is no 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These all are positive integer. But sometimes we need negative number also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on. These are also endless. negative integers. You are looking here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like that. So where you are looking negative sign, this one called negative sign, minus sign. So these are negative number. Okay, upper one with plus sign, these are positive number or positive integers, and these are with minus sign, so these are negative integers. Okay, okay, so you are looking this one not containing 0 and this one also not containing 0. Suppose if we need a collection that this contain positive integer, this contain negative integer, and we need 0 also. 0 also. 0. 0 is not a positive or not a negative integer. 0 simply 0. This one not positive or negative integer. Getting? So if we want to make a collection or a set of these numbers, so what we say combinedly these all. So that is integer. Integer. Integer means all positive number. All positive numbers 0 and all negative number. Okay. Positive number, all positive numbers, all negative number, and 0 also. So combined we call integer. That's why we need a separate set for all positive, all negative, all positive, all negative, and 0. Combinedly called integer. Integers. Getting? So integer contain positive number, negative number, and 0. So if anyone say what is -1, you can say that is negative number and integer also 0. 0 is whole number, but this is not natural number, but 0 is an integer also. 4 is an integer. Okay, so combinedly positive numbers 0 and negative numbers are called integers. So we are getting that whole number started from 0, so smallest whole number is 0 and largest whole number is not defined. Same way natural number started from 1 and smallest natural number is 1. So largest natural number is undefined or not defined. Positive integer started from 1. Okay, so you can say smallest positive number is 1, but largest positive number is not defined. Okay, like that integers, negative integer. But here you can't say that -1 will be smallest. You can't say here, you can say 1 is smallest, but here you can't say -1 will be smallest, because when we go in negative integer, number increasing, you are looking 1, after that 2, number increasing, but its value decreasing. Okay, but its value decreasing. नंबर तो इंक्रीज हो रहा है बट उसका वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो रहा है. सपोज यू परचेज अ शर्ट, ओके, आफ्टर 1 year इट्स वैल्यू विल बी डिक्रीज, क्योंकि आपकी शर्ट क्या हो जाएगी, पुरानी हो जाएगी. तो जिस रेट में आपने उसको खरीदा था, अगेन इफ यू वांट टू सेल इन सेम रेट, सो दैट विल बी नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट्स वैल्यू डिक्रीज. वैल्यू कम हो गया, कपड़ा आपका पुराना हो गया. सो सेम हियर, नंबर इंक्रीजिंग बट देयर वैल्यू डिक्रीजिंग. सो वी कैन से दैट -1 will be smallest. Getting? So we can't tell what will be the smallest integer. Okay, because this one -5, -6, -7, like that. So all positive number and all negative number and 0 combined for integer. Clear? So today we will learn something about integers. Okay, in lower class or 6th class, we draw number line. Number line. How we will draw a number line? Other name of this number line is real number line also. We say real number line. Okay. Okay, at middle, at center, we will write 0. We represent this one by capital O and here 0. At center, we have to write 0. This one your right hand and this one your left hand. This one your right side, right hand side, and this one your left hand side. Which on your right side, that will be right hand side. This is center, this is center, this one right hand, so this is right hand side, this one left hand, so this one left hand side. Suppose this is 0, your face is 0, so your right hand called right hand side and your left hand called left hand side. Okay, at center here 0. So this side, right side will be positive integer. Right side will be positive integer and on left side will be negative integers. Integers. Okay. So remember one thing, on right side, on your right hand side, you have to show positive integer only. That not depend on your choice, that you can draw anywhere positive integer. That is fixed, that on the right hand side you have to draw positive integer. Okay, you can't change your right hand. Okay, right hand always remain in that side and left hand always remain in that side. So we have no choice to change this hand to this side and this hand to this side. Like that we can't write positive left side. So positive integer always remain on right side on the number line. And at middle there will be 0 and this side will are negative integers. Okay, on left side we will write negative integer. So look how we will draw a number line with integers. So at center we will write 0. Then we will write 1. You are looking how much gap you taken here. Same you have to take everywhere. Clear? How much gap you taken here? Same you have to take here. After that also. So equal gap you have to take for drawing number line. If you are doing like that, 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, so it will be totally wrong. You have to take equal gap. Getting? Suppose here from here to here you are taking 1 centimeter. So everywhere you have to take 1 centimeter. All integers are at equal distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Arrow means you increase this side. Arrow, you can increase this line. This side also arrow, so you can increase this line also. Arrow. If you put that type of sign, it means you can't increase that one. But if you make arrow, it means you can increase this one. Getting? Okay. So 1, 2 onward. These all are positive integers. On the number line, positive integers will always on right side of 0. This is your 0 and this is your right hand. So you are looking, this is 0 and on the right side of 0, you locate your positive sign. Sorry, positive numbers or positive integers. Clear? So always that's 0 on the right side of 0. You have to represent your positive integer. And how it will go? First you have to write 1. How much gap you taken here? Same here. Equal distance you have to maintain here. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you produce that one, you can produce this one. This is your right side. 8, 9, so on. So on means it will not end anywhere. Okay. Now we are going on left side. So what we will do with left side? What we will show on the left side? So look, we will represent negative integer on the left side. You know that negative integer -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. So how we will represent these on number line? How much gap you taken here? Same you have to take this side also. And here -1. This is your -1. How much gap you taken in between 0 and 1? Same you have to take in between 0 and -1. You have to focus on that one. That gap should be equal everywhere. On the right side or on the left. We taken here everywhere we will take equal gap. This is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay. This is your center and here 0. You are looking here 0. Center. Suppose your face is center and that locates 0. So on the left side of your face, that there will be left hand, and on that side you will draw negative integers, or we say negative number also, but generally we use negative integer. So that is fixed. Always on the right side of 0 there will be positive integer, and on the left side of 0 there will be negative integer. Your face is 0. This is right hand, so that's called right side. This is left hand, so that's called left hand side. Where your left hand, that's left hand side. Where your right hand, that is right hand side. Okay? And face is 0. Getting? Face is center. On the right side of center there will be positive integer, and on the left side of your face there will be negative integer. Okay? When you face toward board, so it will be your right hand side, so that's your right hand side, and this is your left hand side. Getting? Your face should be toward board. Your face is 0. This is your right side and this is your left side. So look here, we draw a number line. Here we drawn up to 6. We can produce this one. So here we can write -7, -8 and -9. Clear that? This is your right hand side. Yes. When your face will be toward board. So this your right hand and this is your left hand. So this is center and this side your called right hand side. जहाँ आपका दाएं हाथ जाएगा वो right hand side होगा and where your left hand that will be left hand side. So in number 9 on the right hand side we represent only positive integers and on the left hand side we represent only negative integer and at the center we have to represent 0 and generally we locate this one by capital O. Location of 0 represented by capital O. Okay. Now we are checking their order. When we go left to right, face toward board, this is your left hand, this is your right hand. Left to right, you are going left to right, it means in this direction. Okay? You are going 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, so on. So when you will go left to right, your number will be in increasing order. Numbers will be in increasing order. Here 0 and after that 1. So 1 is greater than 0. Whenever you go left to right. On the number 9, suppose this is a man and going this chalk. Okay, this is a man going left. Yay. We are focusing on 0 and 1. So keep your hand face toward your board. This is your left hand, this is your right hand. ये आपका right hand है and this one left hand. Left to right you are going. Left to right. That suppose this is this one person moving from left to right. जा रहा है 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9 and so on. So what happened when you go left to right? Numbers are in increasing order. Okay? Which number come first? That will be smaller. Which come later? That will be greater. Now compare these two. 1 and 2. So 1 coming first and 2 coming later. So 1 will be less than 2. Got it? Like that 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 coming first, 3 coming later. So 2 is less than 3. You know that? Arrow represent smaller number. Open side represent greater number. Now you reach 3. 3 to 4 you are going. 3 to 4. So 3 coming first and 4 coming later. So 3 will be less. Same way 4 coming first, 5 coming later. So 4 will be less than 5. 5 coming first, 6 coming later. So 5, 6. 5 will be less than 6. 6 coming first, 7 coming later. So 6 less than 7. 7 coming first, 8 coming later. So 7 will be less than 8. 8 coming first and 9 coming later. So this will be smaller than 9. Yes, student, when you go 0 to right side, 0 to right side you will go, the number will be in increasing order. Your numbers will be in increasing order. ये 0 to right side. Right hand की ओर जा रहे हैं. That's your face is 0 and that is your right hand. You are going towards right side from 0. So numbers will be in increasing order. So we can write this one like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 will be less than 1, 1 will be less than 2, 2 will be less than 3, 3 will be less than 4, 4 will be less than 5, and 5 will be less than 6, 6 will be less than 7, so on. It will be follow same pattern. Okay. So in number 9, then you will go left to right. Left. From 0 you have to take. From 0 when you are going toward right side, number will be in increasing order or ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. So you can see in this number 9, 1 will be smaller than 9. 0 will be smaller than 1. 2 will be greater than 0. Numbers are in increasing order. Okay, that's for right side. Now go to left side. What happened to left side on 0? 0 is being here. You have to look both sides of 0. This is right side of 0. This one left side of 0. Faces 0, right hand right side, left hand left side. Okay. When we go now, this side called right now, and this is left. You are going right to left. If you keep your right hand on 0, so this side is left hand side. So now we are going right to left hand side. Right hand to left hand side. You are looking arrow. Arrow means we are going this side. And here I make arrow like that. So we are going this side. Right side to left side. Right side to left side. So look what happened here. When we go right to left, number just opposite of this side, your number will be in decreasing order. Decrease means kam hona. Descending order. Sorry. On the left side of 0, numbers will be in descending order. Clear that? Numbers will be in descending order. So I am taking 0 and minus 1. So minus 1 will be smaller than 0. Just opposite of right side. In right side, when we are going toward right, number are in ascending order. But that just opposite of this one. Suppose this is any person is one moving from 0 to left. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, like that. But here only not 1, 2, 3, 4. You are looking here sign also. 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 3. Here minus sign also. Okay, here minus sign also. This person going 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2, minus 1 to minus 3, minus 1, minus 3 to minus 4, minus 4 to minus 5, minus 5 to minus 6, minus 6 to minus 7, minus 7 to minus 8, and minus 8 to minus 9. Person going right to left. On the number 9, person moving from 0 to left side. Okay, so how your numbers here? Numbers will be in decreasing order or descending order. Here number will be in descending order. 0 will be greater than minus 1 and minus 1 will be so after minus 1 they are coming minus 2 and here minus 1. This is minus 1, this is minus 2. So minus 1 will be greater than minus 2. Okay. When you go minus 2 to minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, you are going minus 2 to minus 3. So minus 3 will be less than minus 2. Getting? When you will go toward left from 0 on the number line. So numbers will be in decreasing order. Okay, value slightly being low. Here numbers are in decreasing order. On the left side of 0. That's 0, face is 0, face toward board. That's your left hand. So go toward your left hand. Numbers will be in descending order. Or number will be in decreasing. So minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 will be smaller than 0. And minus 2 will be smaller than minus 1. Minus 3 will be smaller than minus 2. You know that arrow represents smaller and open side represents greater number. So minus 4 and minus 3. When you go minus 3 to minus 4 will be smaller than minus 3. And when you go minus 4 to minus 5. So minus 5 will be less than 4. You are getting, these are not only 4 or 5. Here you are looking a sign also. This is called minus sign. So in number line, when we go 0 to left side, value of number, or we can say value of negative integers will be decreased. Number increasing. Number 1 without sign, if you look, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. But with sign 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2. But if you put sign here, so this one being minus 1 and this one being minus 2. So on the number line, when we will go right to left, number will be in decreasing order or descending order. नंबर तो बढ़ेगा, 1 से 2 होगा, 2 से 3, 3 से 4, 4 से 5, 5 से 6, but here minus also. So that due to this minus sign, their value will be decreased. Value उसका कम हो जाएगा. Suppose आपने एक शर्ट खरीदी, after 2 years, it will be old. So its value will be decreased. Value कम हो जाएगी. अगर आप उस शर्ट को उसी परचेज के रेट में सेल करना चाहें तो that is not possible. आपने एक घर खरीदा, after some years it will be turned old. घर आपका पुराना हो जाएगा, तो घर की वैल्यू जो है कॉस्ट कम हो जाएगी. You purchase a television, after some years its cost will be decreased. Its cost will be decreased. Okay? तो value number तो increase हो रहा है, but its value decrease. Value कम हो जाएगी. Okay? So when we go right to left side on the number line, number will be in descending order. If we will write this one, so we will write like that, 0. Suppose 0 here, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So 0 will be greater than minus 1, minus 1 will be greater than minus 2, minus 2 will be greater than minus 3, minus 3 will be greater than minus 4 and minus 4 will be greater than minus 5. So just opposite of right side. In right side of 0. 0 के right side में numbers are in increasing order. in decreasing order. Here we say numbers are in ascending order. So here we will say numbers are in descending order. So you are getting one thing from this number line, that all positive integers are greater than 0. All positive integers are greater than 0. Just opposite of this one, all negative integers are smaller than 0. All negative integers are smaller than 0. Getting? Positive integer, all positive integers greater than 0. Positive integer greater than 0. Arrow represents smaller number, open side represents greater number. So all positive integers are greater than 0. But all negative integers, 0 here and all negative integers are smaller than 0. 0 will be greater than all the negative integers. All negative integers. Getting? So, all positive integers are greater than negative integer, and all positive integers are greater than 0 also. Same line. Today you will draw in your copy and you will revise this one properly. Okay. So now that's clear that all positive integers are greater than 0 and all negative integers are smaller than 0. Clear? So when we go left to right, left. Suppose this is your left to right. This man going left to right. Left to right. Okay. So value of number will be increased. But when you go right to left, अब ये यहाँ से कहाँ जाएगा? This person going toward right to left. So value of number decreasing. You can see here. This is your right side. This is your right hand. On your right hand there is 9. On your left hand there is 8. So 9 is greater than 8. यहाँ से यहाँ जाने में नंबर का वैल्यू कम हो गया. When you go right to left, number will be in decreasing order. Getting? And when you go left to right, this person going left to right. So what happened? Here minus 9 and here minus 8. So minus 8 will be greater than minus 9. Okay? Left यहाँ है, right that side. When we go left to right, number will be in increasing order. Just opposite of that one. When we go right to left, so number will be in decreasing order. Okay. So that's sufficient for today. Next day I will come with new topic. So same thing, you have to revise at home. Have a good day.